Did you get a call?
I did get a call. Yep. Yep, someone called.
Who was it?
I have no idea.
You don't even know who called? You just show up following orders?
Yep. When they dispatch me, I come. So.
Following orders. Welcome, freedom lovers. We're at the Jackson, Michigan courthouse. Word on the street, DEI hires running the show. Diversity over merit. Let's test their accountability. Public building, public right to record. First Amendment in full effect. We're live outside the Jackson County Courthouse. Public property, public sidewalk. Rumor has it DEI hires are clogging up this place. Picked for checkboxes, not skills. Let's shine a light. Watch this cops retreat. Owned, dismissed, and taken the walk of shame. First Amendment flexes. Tyranny flops. Insane Karen shook, but the truth don't care. Don't forget to like and subscribe for police accountability, civil rights education, YouTube videos. Here comes the two undercover cops. They both have their side pieces on. They're here to make sure that the employees feel okay walking out because there's a camera. Look at all the contraband. Look at all that contraband they're smuggling in and out of these courthouses. More courthouse workers. So you can see down there the employee entrance is all under construction, so they have to use the regular entrance. Like we the people, like the regular people. I bet they don't go through the metal detectors though. I bet they walk right around them. More workers coming out. Bags full of contraband. These courthouse workers smuggling in more contraband in and out of this courthouse. Yeah, they must be getting out of court right now. I'm not sure what time it is. It must be getting up around 4 o'clock Eastern time here in Michigan. Look at that, she's got two bags full of contraband, courthouse worker. Two more bags full of contraband coming out of the courthouse, these courthouse workers. Got some fans here, guys. They're calling my name out. Got some fans here. Smuggling more contraband in and out of the courthouses. Look at all that contraband they're smuggling in and out of those courthouses. More DEI hires, full of DEI hires. Full of DEI hires at the Jackson County Courthouse. Live! They're all coming out the back entrance with their bags full of contraband. They're coming out that secret judge's entrance. They're not fooling nobody. We don't want to film those obese Karens smuggling all their contraband in and out. 300, 350 pound Karens, insane Karens. I told you it was going to get live, guys. We're going to stay a little bit longer because it's getting live now. Live, guys, live. Look at all the bags full of contraband, more court workers, more DEI hires at the Jackson County Courthouse. I'm just out enjoying my day.
Pictures without their permission.
Well then,
It gets you live.
please walk away from me.
What'd you say?
I said, please walk away from me.
Okay, I was sending out you guys.
Hey guys, didn't take long to run into an insane Karen. I tried being extra nice to this lady. I tried the best I could to be nice to her, but she just didn't want to listen. That's the type of people they drag into these courthouses. You know, they drag these ignorant people into these courthouses. She literally thought it was against the law to take pictures in public. Now she said she's going to go tell the police on me for taking pictures in public. You can't make this up. That's how I just got done talking about how ignorant these people are in Jackson, Michigan, and that lady just proved my point.
How you doing today, sir? How you doing? All right. We just got a call that you were flailing your arms and screaming, and just here to make sure you're okay. Is everything good? All right. You don't want to talk?
Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. I have no clue what you're talking about.
All right, man. Listen, I'm just here.
What's your name?
Called to make sure you're okay, so I'm just here to check on you.
What's your name and badge number?
Officer Frazier, 145. So I'm just here to check on you, but if you're all good, I'll get out of your hair. All right?
Did you get a call?
I did get a call. Yep. Someone called.
Who was it?
I have no idea.
You don't even know who called? You just show up following orders?
Yep. When they dispatch me, I come. So,
following orders, huh?
yeah, you have a good one.
This is what happens, guys. If that isn't a perfect example of why we need to defund the police, look at that, guys. Look how he's parked even. Look how he's parked even. Defund these pigs. Defund these police. Why you park like this? You're creating a safety issue. You're creating a serious safety issue right now. Look at this cop, guys. Creating a safety issue for everyone involved, everyone on the roads. JPD, Jackson Police Department. More traitors to America. I told you guys. These people despise freedom in America. I told you guys, you literally can't stand out here for 2 hours without cops being called on you to harass and collect. You got the silent treatment. Always use the silent treatment on these tyrant cops. They're not your friend. Police are not your friend. Do not talk to them, ever. So they were driving around with all these undercover units, you know, waving, trying to be friendly with me. And then they send in this marked unit, this hired gun. You know, you're never safe when they send one of them your way. Your life is always in danger. Someone literally just tried to have me ended on a live stream. Someone tried to have me ended live by sending that cop over here. Who did that? Who did that? Who did that? Cops Own, once again, Dumb Cops Own, live. Dumb Cops Own, live. Breaking the matrix again, breaking the matrix. There it is, Freedom Fam. Cops Own, dismissed, and walking the shame train out of here. First Amendment bats 1,000. Insane Karens are still salty, but the law don't care. Don't forget to like and subscribe for police accountability, civil rights education, YouTube videos, and I'll see you on the next one.